Good YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my collard greens. I thought I had made a video about greens already, but simply I just have my chopped garlic and my onion here, and I'm going to add this to my greens because it makes it taste very flavorful. So the next step that you're going to be doing is using this adobo salt. I use adobo salt for my collard greens because I can use as much as I want without it being salty, but that doesn't mean use the whole entire bottle. But I've been loving this on my collard greens. I've been using this for a while. Sometimes I might use salt if we don't have any adobo salt in the house, but adobo salt is very good, and I just wanted to show you guys, like how it looks. So basically those are the greens, and I'm basically having it in a sauteed pot, and that's what I prefer to use. You can use another pot if you'd like. For the next step, I'm just going to add my garlic and my onion on top of this. It is very simple. I do mine like this just because like the seasons always seem to seep in properly. And this is a family style collard green bag. This is all you really need to do. Add your garlic and onion on top and let this cook for at least, I say, about an hour. Probably like an hour and 30 minutes. But that's how I like mine. You can undercook yours if you want. But I like mine to be very, what's the word that I'm looking for? Tender, if that makes sense. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is add some olive oil on here. We only have a little bit, and the one from Whole Foods is gone, but I'm just going to have to settle for the olive oil from Giant. And I also am going to add some canola oil to this as well. That's why y'all don't see me. Hopefully I come back in the picture. Come on, where am I? Okay, that is the canola oil that I added. So I added canola and olive oil. Normally I don't use canola oil, but desperate times come for desperate measures. Step is to just cover the pot, and I let this cook for an hour and 30 minutes. I know y'all looking at it, it's gonna be about 8 minutes, but I let it cook for that long because I like my collard greens soft and tender, like I said before. Okay, so after the hour and 30 minutes, this is how my greens are looking. Very soft looking, and they just look great. Like, one thing I will say that I love making about collard greens is that they just look so beautiful when you cook them. Kale is okay, but I prefer collard because they're a little thicker, and you can just see the smoke arising and everything. When I made this and I smelled it through the house, I knew it was good. That's why I recommend that you cook your greens for at least an hour to 30 minutes. That is just the way I make mine. You will not regret overcooking your greens. They will not burn if you have the right amount of water. But this is how I make them, and like, I'm super impressed with them. I'm trying to tell you, they were so good, y'all. Okay, so there you have it. You guys know I love to put a plate next to it, but I just have my rice and peas, my collard greens. That is my jerk chicken that I did grill. I have another video. Y'all should check that one out too. But like I say, this meal was really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And like I say in all my videos, let me know how I'm doing my videos, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.